So here's the table right out of the box, and let me tell you, it is beautiful. And this is how it's going to come to you. There is absolutely no installation required. You simply take it out of the box and open the legs and you are done. So easy. Let me try to give you a little bit of a close-up so you can see this table a little closer. This is really nice. It's a heavy table. It's not too heavy, but it's definitely not that cheap particle board. This is solid wood. Very beautiful, affordable is what I like. No installation, and this is really kind of exceeded my expectations. I knew it was going to be nice, but I didn't know it was going to be this nice. Let me mention that the color is espresso, and I want to give you some real world measurements. It is 32 by 32. So it's a square, and the height from the bottom to the top is 29 inches. I want to show you what the bottom looks like when it's folded up. Also want to show you how thin it is when you fold it up, so this is going to be real easy to store away. This is going to be a nice looking table no matter how you use it, as a card table, or maybe some dinner guests arrive and you need an extra table. It looks really nice probably in any room you put it. So if you're looking at this table, I hope you found the video helpful.